Welcome to Vijnan Saraswati channel. Today we will discuss one important topic in engineering mechanics, engineering physics, that is simple harmonic motion. So, the simple harmonic motion here, what is actually simple harmonic motion, what its definition, and when a harmonic motion is said to be simple harmonic motion, all these things we will discuss. So, if you see any pendulum or a oscillating particle along one direction, say it is mean position somewhere here point P, when it is get displaced or by applying some force, what it does is it tries to obtain its mean position. So, there some sort of force will be acted on the particle P, so that force tries to bring its original position to the particle. So, that force is called restoring force. For example, if you take simple pendulum, when it is pulled by a smaller angles theta, right, and if you see force components, one of the force acts towards the mean position. Okay, this is mg sin theta. That force acts towards the mean position. That force tries to bring the original position, tries to give the original position, that is mean position, to the pendulum. When it reaches to mean position, by inertia it rises in upward direction by the same angle. Okay. So, this is simple harmonic motion. In simple harmonic motion, the few basic things are, whatever the restoring force that we are talking of, restoring force, okay, must be proportional to displacement and is directed towards mean. That means what? If the restoring force should be proportional to displacement, as you increase the displacement, restoring force, magnitude of restoring force increases, and it is opposite to it, that is directed to mean position, opposite to the direction of the displacement. It is along the linear, along the straight line, it acts along straight line, and the motion should be periodic. One more important point, the motion should be periodic. Periodic in the sense, some parameter, any one parameter, like time period for example, that parameter will be repeated. Okay, that is in simple harmonic motion, time period, for example, you can take how much time takes for one oscillation, that will be constant throughout. So, it should be periodic motion, to and fro, periodic motion, and the restoring force must be proportional to displacement and opposite to it. Opposite in the sense, the restoring force is directed towards mean position and it acts along straight line. Okay. So, this is about that motion. Then that motion is said to be simple harmonic motion, right. These things you remember. One is restoring force must be directly proportional to x and opposite it, and should be periodic and acts along straight line, acts along straight line. Okay. So, we will see mathematical depiction, mathematical equations for this. What is the equation of for simple harmonic motion of a oscillator, that is a oscillator which is executing simple harmonic motions. And from this available mathematical data, the restoring force F is equal to minus kx, because F is directly proportional to minus x, and we take F is equal to minus kx, where k is constant, k is called force constant, right. Force constant you can define from that, take the magnitude, k is equal to F by x, that is the force acting per make x is equal to 1. Force acting per unit length is called force constant. So this, let us give equation 1 and we will use Newton's second law. From Newton's second law, what is the force? Mass into acceleration. If x is the displacement, then force will be mass into acceleration d square x by dt square, double differentiation of displacement. Let us equate both the equations. We get m into d square x by dt square is equal to minus kx, right. So again d square x by dt square is equal to minus k by mx, and d square x by dt square is equal to minus omega square x, and d square x by dt square is plus omega square x is equal to 0. This is simple harmonic motion equation. It represents simple harmonic oscillator, where here omega square is k by m, that you remember. Omega square is equal to k by m, or omega is equal to root k by m. Omega is the angular frequency, of course. So this is the equation for simple harmonic oscillator. Now we will solve it. Let us solve this equation. Okay. And solving equation 3, solution for equation 3, simply solving equation 3. See, let us take d square x by dt square, and we can write it as d by dt of dx by dt, d square x by dt square, we are just rewriting in this manner. Okay, and d by dt of dx by dt is velocity, and let us multiply and divide this with the dx again. What we get? Dx by, here we get d square x by dt square is equal to, let us write d x by dt, dx by dt, and dv by dx into dv by dx. Again dx by dt is velocity, and this is dv by dx. Equation 4. So from equation 3 or above equation, we will equate from equation 3 and 4. This we can write v into dv by dx, that is this d square x by dt square we have written as v into dv by dx. That v into dv by dx is equal to d square x by, this is no minus omega square x. Okay, so v into dv is equal to minus omega square x dx. Let us integrate both sides, then you will get v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square into x square by 2, some proportionality constant. Okay. Let us evaluate what is C1, how much value it may have in extreme conditions, boundary conditions you can think of. If x is maximum displacement, if you consider, that is amplitude, at maximum point, this is the amplitude, this value is maximum point amplitude. Here the pendulum or that bob or the particle comes to rest, that is at amplitude. The velocity is, if x is equal to a, then the velocity of that particle is 0. Let us substitute in above equation. then how much we get? 0 is equal to minus omega square x is a square by 2 plus c1. So c1 we get omega square a square by 2. Let us substitute that in equation 5. Therefore, equation 5 now becomes v square by 2 is equal to minus omega square x square by 2 plus c1 omega square a square by 2. So from here we can write equation for velocity. V square is equal to 2 get cancelled, omega square if you take common, a square minus x square, and velocity is equal to omega into root of a square minus x square. This is velocity of the simple harmonic oscillator, equation 6. This is the acceleration. Now we got velocity. Okay. So now we got velocity. Let us see what is the x displacement equation. Here few conditions we will discuss. Maximum velocity. When velocity will become maximum, that is at x is equal to 0, v will be v maximum. So v maximum, apply that, x is 0, v maximum will become omega a. Similarly, at x is equal to a, that is amplitude, v is v minimum, v is 0. Okay. So if you substitute, you will get 0. So there is no question of minimum. Minimum in the sense 0. At x is equal to a, v is 0. Right. Now we will see displacement. From the equation 6, in equation 6, velocity will write as dx by dt, displacement, rate of change of displacement. Dx by dt is the velocity, is equal to omega into root of a square minus x square, and dx by root of a square minus x square is equal to omega dt. Let us integrate both sides. When you integrate this, we get sine inverse of x by a. This is equal to omega t plus some integration constant phi. So from here x by a is what? Sine of omega t plus phi. So x is equal to how much? A sine omega t plus phi. This is equation 7. This is the displacement equation. Okay, we have acceleration, velocity and displacement. Clear? Now we will see what is the energy, total energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. So total energy of simple harmonic oscillator, that we will see. So total energy of simple harmonic oscillator in the sense that it is sum of kinetic energy and its potential energy. Generally, because simple harmonic motion, simple harmonic oscillator, due to its velocity, it gets kinetic energy, it possesses kinetic energy. Due to change in displacement, it gets potential energy. Okay. So those two things we will consider, and we will calculate kinetic energy and potential energy, then finally we will calculate total energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. Okay. So the first case, if you take kinetic energy of simple harmonic oscillator, let me write it as Ek. So generally kinetic energy in the sense what? Of m velocity square of m dx by dt square velocity. So and the displacement equation here, equation 1, what is the displacement equation? We discussed sin omega t plus phi. This is the displacement equation. Let us differentiate this equation. When we differentiate this equation, you will get a omega cos omega t plus phi So velocity now becomes this velocity is dx by dt. Now kinetic energy Ek becomes of m dx by dt whole square, that is a omega cos omega t plus phi square. So this is equal to of m a square omega square cos square omega t plus phi. This is kinetic energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. Similarly, we will see what is potential energy. The second one is potential energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. Potential energy of SHO, let me write it as EP. According to simple harmonic condition, the restoring force F is equal to minus kx, right? And according to Newton's law, the force can be written in terms of potential energy. The force in terms of potential energy is d by dx of EP. Okay, so change in potential energy with displacement minus d by dx of EP. What is F? Minus kx. Here let us substitute minus kx is equal to minus value. So from here dEP is equal to kx dx. Let us integrate this equation both sides, then we get potential energy is equal to of kx square plus some constant. Okay, see we can obtain generally at x is equal to 0, if displacement is 0, the potential energy will be 0 in general. There will not be any potential energy if displacement is 0. Therefore, here C becomes 0 if you substitute these two values. So finally, therefore the potential energy EP becomes of kx square. We know what is x. See the equation 2, x is a sin omega t, that will substitute k into x square, a square sin square omega t plus phi. This is k potential energy. But we know k. What is k? M omega square is the k. If you see the previous content, here let me write, since omega square is equal to k by m. Okay, this is potential energy. Equation 3, 4. Therefore, now total energy, therefore the total energy of simple harmonic oscillator now becomes E is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy. Kinetic energy plus potential energy. What is kinetic energy from first part? Equation 3 of m a square omega square cos square omega t plus phi plus what is potential energy from this equation? Equation 4, second part, of m a square omega square sin square omega t plus phi. If you take the common of m a square omega square, and that becomes 1. This is the total energy of the here you write A also. Total energy of the simple harmonic oscillator, right? And you can substitute omega value also. Omega is, but omega we know 2 pi n. If you substitute E is equal to of m a square 2 pi n square, n is frequency, number of oscillations per second. Okay, so it becomes 2m pi square a square omega n square. This is total energy. If time period is given, n is equal to 1 by t. Time period, what is the time period of the oscillator? Time taken for complete one oscillation, that is time period, and small n is the frequency, number of cycles per second. Omega is the angular frequency. Okay. So this is total energy of the simple harmonic oscillator. We will see an interesting graph over here, how it is varying. Energy and with the displacement, right, somewhere here we will write minus A, this is plus A, maximum amplitude. So as the displacement is varying, one energy varies like this, okay, and what energy it is, whether kinetic energy or potential energy, you have to tell, and another energy varies in this direction, both become simultaneously varies. This is also minus A, this is plus A, minus A. So which one, the parabola U, inverted parabola and U, in those two, which is potential energy, which corresponding to potential energy, which corresponding to kinetic energy, you can write in comment section. Okay. If you have any doubts in this, you can write in comment section, those will be answered, and we will see one more topic in next class. We will discuss damped harmonic oscillator, and subscribe, share with your friends.